Welcome back to another video, guys. So two indexes were introduced early this month, days ago, would say weeks ago, yeah, 2 3 weeks ago. Two indexes were introduced. They are both step indexes, the multi-step 2 index and the multi-step 4 index. You can see it right here. I've never traded on them. I hope they respect price action analysis. So here in today's video, I want us to have a look on these two indexes. I want us to analyze this index to predict what we got, what this index got for us, what we could be expecting on these two indexes. So do it to stay to the end of the video to get every detail on this market analysis and market breakdown. And smash the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever a new video is dropped, and drop a good comment on this video. So let's get down to the analysis. So on the weekly time frame, you can see we don't have much data on the weekly time frame. We only have 4 weekly time frame candles. We only got 4 weekly time frame candles, days on days, and we are almost at the end of the month, which this monthly time frame candle is likely to close, right? So you can see that this index started existing in the beginning of this month. So we don't have much on the weekly time frame, so we have nothing to do with the weekly time frame, same as the monthly time frame, which we got only one candle. So we don't have much data on these two time frames. So let's go to the daily time frame, which we got few candles, which we got a couple of candles, right? So on this daily time frame, you can see the market trend. That's the first thing I look out for. That's the first thing I have a look on whenever I want to analyze the market from a higher time frame. I first look at the market trend, identify the market trend basically, and we can see that this index is on a downtrend, which is clearly seen here. This index is on a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows. When this index existed, it came with the price value of 9,000. That was 9,974. That's the price value this index came with, and it's currently at 9,900 here, and it's currently at 9,700. So the index has declined. We've got a decrease in price value of this index, and this index is currently on a downtrend. So are we to get more sell continuation? Are we to get more downtrend formation on step or multi-step 2 index? Are we going to get a reversal, a bullish reversal? For now, we have no say on that. All you have to do right now is to focus on the current market nature, which is a downtrend market, right? And trade with the market direction. You don't have to trade against the market. You just have to follow what the market is doing. If the market is selling, you sell with the market. If the market is buying, you buy with the market. So the market is on a downtrend on the daily time frame, creating lower highs and lower lows formation. We're getting levels get broken and retested, and the sell continuation, right? So these are levels in the market which got broken and retested, and we're getting the sells. So this was the previous level which market just broke below, which was previously support here. Price broke below it, gave a test on its resistance, and we got the sells on it the last day, yesterday, right? So this index formed another level. I think our trend has cleared. Let's put it again on the 4 hour time frame. So this is the market trend basically, market on a downtrend. And you guys know that whenever the market is on a downtrend, you should focus on the sell side of the market. You should look out for sell opportunities. So my interest currently on this index is on the sell side of the market. I'm focused on the sell side of the market. I'm looking out for sell opportunities because you can see the market trend, right? So we have a level that got broken after this last close got broken, which is this level. And we're already getting price sell on this level as a broken level of support on resistance. We're getting the sells on this zone, but I have a formation which I'm expecting price to, I have a level which I'm expecting price to get to this trend resistance level, because on trend lines we have our support level and the resistance level. Though we've gotten the second and the third test of our trend resistance, we could still see price do what, push up to this zone for more sells. I don't think this level would hold strongly, because when we check the 4 hour time frame, we can see that we've got the last 1 2 3 4 candles, the last 4 hour time frame candles are bullish candles, which indicates that the bulls has a little bit of strength in the market, which they could push this index to this zone. And we have an order block formation here, which I'm expecting price to get to before we can see the sales on this index. So we have possibilities of seeing a push up in the coming hours. We could see this level get broken. Could see this level currently here. This level get broken. This level of resistance, this level of support, right, that got broken, turn resistance. We could see price break back inside of this zone to test this order block formation as well as our trend resistance for the sales. So I wouldn't be selling this index at this point. I wouldn't be selling this index at this zone. Maybe to the market presents good sell confirmations. That's the only reason why I would sell this index on this level. But I strongly believe that this index is going to push up to this zone, push up to this level of resistance, this level right here before we can get the sells. So everything is making sense on this index. You can see you are getting this higher lows formation on a lower time frame, the 15-minute time frame. That same price creates series of higher lows and higher highs, which is a bullish structure. So the lower time frame is saying that this index is bullish, while the higher time frame is saying that this index is bearish. And most moves that happen in the market, most major moves that happened in the market on a higher time frame started forming on a lower time frame. So we have to always put these lower time frames into consideration whenever we are analyzing the market. We have to look at for what the lower time frame is saying, right? So we have this level here on the 15-minute time frame. So on how I'm looking at for buy opportunities, I'm waiting for price to sell to this zone, to sell to this level before I buy, before I take a trade. If at all I'm to take a trade on this index, I'll wait for a selling to this point for the buys to the upside because I'm expecting this level to get broken, which I spotted on the forward time frame, the structure identified on the forward time frame. Because I'm waiting for this level to get broken. So I'll be expecting markets to push up to this level before we can get the sells from this zone. So the buy move is expected short term for the long term sales on multi-step to index. So that's my expectation and view on this index. So I'm waiting for markets to sell to this point, to sell to this zone for the buys. So if I'm to take this buy trade on this index, I'll give you guys an update on how this trade played out. So my SL will be below these lows, right? That will be my stop loss level. So that's what I'm looking at for on this index. That's my expectations on multi-step to index. Short-term buys for long-term sales. So we want to take advantage of the short-term buys by buying on our buy zone. Let's see what happens. Let's see how price respects this zone. Let's see how this trade plays out. So I'll give you guys an update on this trade later on. So that's my view and analysis. So let's analyze multi-step for index. Let's analyze multi-step for index right now. Let's have a look on multi-step for index. So the same thing started existing weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. No much data on the weekly time frame, same as the monthly time frame. No much data, right? So let's analyze from the daily time frame. We can see this indexes has always declined in value whenever it started existing. You can see from this point, from the 10,000 price value to 9,800 price value. So there was a decrease in price value on this index. So are we to get more sales or a reversal? I don't think we have much data on this daily time frame because we are getting impulsive sells, unlike the multi-step 2 index that we had an accurate trend, a coordinate trend. So we just got this impulsive move, impulsive, little bullish impulsive move here, and we're getting price sell. So we have these lows, which market is currently on. These lows right here, which market formed, and price is approaching these lows. So are we to get price? Are we to get the buys from these lows? Are we to see this index buy from this point? Buy from this, sorry, buy from this zone right here, or get this index, or say this index break below these lows. So we don't know for now because price is yet to give a test of this level. Market is yet to sell to this point. So I'll be paying attention to this level basically for possible buy opportunities. I'll be paying attention to this level on multi-step for index. Let's see what happens. And we're getting this consolidation here, which could mean that the buyers are building up their buying power to push the market to the upside, or the sellers are building up their selling power to push this market towards to the downside, which this could mean both. So let's just wait for the market to do its thing in this consolidating formation we are having here. We got right here. So this index is still in this zone, creating equals and equal lows. So I personally, for the fact that this index is on these lows, that's the reason why I could be looking for buy opportunities as well. But on how this index is staying inside of this consolidating structure, I wouldn't be doing anything at the moment. I just have to wait for either the break to the upside, break out of this consolidation, then a retest on it, a breakout, a retest for the buys, for the buy move on multi-step for index, or price doing what? Breaking below this consolidation, testing this level, these lows, testing these lows, as well as our consolidation support level, for the sales, right? That's what I would be expecting on this index. So let's see how this plays out. So that's my view and analysis on these two new indexes. We could see the buy or the sell move on multi-step 4 index, but on multi-step 2 index, I'm expecting a bullish move to the upside for price to get to our zone for the long-term sales. That's short-term buys for long-term sales expected on this index, and price is close to our level. So let's see if we can take this trade right now with a couple of confirmations. So that's my view and analysis on these two indexes. So for more market breakdowns and market analysis, do have to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. Let me see a lot, guys. Let's do more and have enough day.